Hiya, Simon here. It's raining. How do you view the rain? What do you think of the rain? I love the rain. I love the energy in the rain. I love the vibrancy of the rain. I love the way it cleans the air. Do you ever watch or listen to The War of the Worlds? David Essex says, the sweetness of the air. Fresh and clean now after the rain. There's a slight coolness to it. It's beautiful. So I've come out into the pergola and I'm going to do some reading. I have my breakfast. But the magic is that I can come out here and be with the rain and don't have to get wet. That is superb. The garden's also clean in rain. It's the last of the bluebells, the japonica, the acanthus, star jasmine, the Italian leather plant, purple clematis, the rose coming to leaf behind it. There's the hot lip salvia, the elders coming together. There's hawthorn, there's gooseberries, there's aces. The beech is in full leaf. The roses are coming into colour. The raspberries will be coming out into bud soon. There's been a robin singing. It's absolutely amazing. There's these beautiful twisted roots, branches of jasmine. What's amazing is ultimately when you look around and you come back, you get centered to the candle representing life. It's amazing being out in the rain. This is Simon, countryman, modern day pagan, in the garden, in the rain. How do you like to enjoy the rain?